everybody, we're back. Vlogtober. Also, thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe. What was that? Subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave some comments at the bottom. We're on our way camping. We're only doing one day. That's it. Just one day.
Black people don't camp.
There you go. With the racist feet. No.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
That's what it is. That's what it sounds like.
This is just something black people don't do.
What? Camp?
Yes.
Stop.
Black people camp the money.
Right. Everybody camp.
Camping is just like golf.
Right.
Everybody don't do it, but it
Some
ain't
people
specifically
do.
one race that can do it.
Exactly.
I didn't say they couldn't.
Also, yeah, I washed and flat ironed my hair. For all the people who think I ain't got no hair. I got more than enough hair.
Anyway.
Say no to drugs, people.
See all this drape, all this hang.
Crack is whack.
You know the sound on TikTok? I can put it in the bun. I got my edges back.
But yeah, we're on our way. It's gonna take us about an hour, a little over an hour to get there. We should have left long before now. I got all these clothes on. I'm kind of hot, actually. I think I'm gonna take this sweater off for now. Okay, yeah, it's gonna take us about an hour, a little bit over an hour to get there. So yeah, we packed and loaded, and then we gotta go to the grocery store up there once we get there. I think we're just gonna do what? Hamburgers and hot dogs? That's what y'all want? Maybe get water.
Okay, some sodas, about 12 sodas. Some ice.
We should have got ice here from that ice hut.
We had ice in the deep freezer, probably.
It's not much.
Okay.
not
We don't
much
need
ice.
much. How much we need for one day?
Believe me, it's only like less than a half a bag. But what I'm saying is the ice hut for $2, you get a whole lot of ice. You know.
Remember last time we went camping?
What were we supposed to remember about last time?
Last time people brought marshmallows.
Yeah, why you keep talking about these marshmallows? We gonna make some
Once we get there, right? David want to do s'mores. Dang, I forgot the doggone.
Racks?
I forgot the racks and the little skewer things.
Who?
The racks for the...
You said the racks and the who?
The little skewers. I am who I am, and I understand I probably pronounce a lot of words wrong or weird or.
Mama, that's just our
But
thing.
this is me, and this is because I see myself as being very unique. All of us can't talk at the same time. That's why I think I'm unique. I mean, well, one day I'm gonna tell my life story, the history of Kim. Where you going at? To get some gas? This dude.
You don't need no gas.
Why don't I need gas?
I'm not gonna say nothing. I ain't gonna say
Why
nothing.
don't I need gas?
Daddy, you are almost at a quarter of a... not 3/4.
See?
We got a half.
Yeah, he right above the half. You good?
Good for how long?
I think you got like a. Anytime you hop in a truck,
You have to fill
you
up.
gotta go to the gas station.
Golly.
I don't know what we gonna call that, but anytime we go somewhere, every single time we go to the gas station. Every single time.
Every time we get in this truck.
You want to know my reasoning behind that?
I know you don't want your tank to be on empty. It costs more to fill it up. The empty tank versus
Exactly.
a half.
Yeah,
Exactly.
but Daddy, every time.
Just like, wait a minute.
You putting 10 in. It adds up.
And not
No,
only that, remember you just told me we don't have to do everything today. We could have did some of the stuff yesterday. Why you get gas yesterday?
Because I ain't go nowhere today.
So you ain't go pay the bill? You ain't go to Rice House?
Yeah, I did.
Exactly.
Yeah, I did.
Could have went to Quick Trip.
But anyway. up here, but we stopping at the Walmart. That's probably like 5 or 10 minutes from the actual campsite. What Damon doing? What he doing? Okay, let's go. We finna go in here and get some stuff. What all you want to get, Damon?
Marshmallows, chocolate, graham crackers, and dinner.
Yep, that's what we're going to get. All those things. Let me see if your face ashy a little bit. Yeah, we finna go in here and get all those things. Hopefully this camera don't slide out. And then from there, camping, here we come. You excited?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah, but I didn't really want to go here. We could have bought everything early, and then we could just go straight to camping.
Yeah, but we didn't plan it right. So we headed in here. Walmart. And y'all know I hate Walmart. But it is what it is. Here we go. Okay. Which one do y'all think tastes better? A or B?
It all tastes the same. The only difference.
A or B?
But guess what? If I took this package and I would put it in this box, you wouldn't know.
I will know.
No, you wouldn't.
I will know. I don't know. Do they got the Travis Scott?
No, they don't have no Travis Scott.
They do. Look,
Here's the normal Pop-Tarts.
$50 a box.
Look, they have the normal Pop-Tarts.
Girl, you know how much these cost? Google it.
No.
$50 a box.
Look.
They got the Travis Scott.
Mom.
Nutter butter.
You know, eBay, these gonna figure it out.
Relax, dude.
Right out the marshmallow?
Yeah. I don't eat none of that. I ain't never seen none of them.
Donuts, honey bun,
Dad, get over here.
cinnamon roll filled.
Oh, we gonna have to have somebody to take that off.
Huh?
We gotta have somebody to take that thing off of this.
That's it right here.
About 60, but she have to do it once we check out. $60 worth of nothing.
Turn left, and your destination will be on the right.
What are you doing?
This dude. Oh my God.
This is not where we was at.
I remember.
You gotta go through this to get there.
Right, I remember what y'all coming this way because we went to that bathroom up there.
God.
Now turn, maybe turn left, right. Yeah, right.
On the right.